Hey everybody, welcome to episode 4 of the Math Summer Series. We're going to do the same thing we do every time. We're going to jump in, we're going to do some math facts, get a little warmed up. So here are your math facts for this week. Go. All right, I hope those went well. School is fast approaching, and you're going to want to have those math facts down once you get to school because it's August, and August means back to school is coming. Let's get to our problems from our last video. Here they are, a quick reminder. If you haven't solved them yet, you could even press pause once they get on the screen, give them a try, and then you get the answer right away afterward, which is kind of nice. So here's the first problem, and then the answer. Alrighty, and here is the second problem and the answer. So those are the answers to the last two problems. If you're confused, if you might have gotten something that was different, or if you're just curious about how I got the answer, I've actually made another YouTube video that has how I solved the problem because I learned how to do a screenshot grab of my screen so I can actually show you instead of sending you to a whole different website with how I solved the problem. So if you click on Summer Series Solutions for episode 3, you'll find those out. And now let's get to this week's problems. Here's the first problem for this week. Zach had a summer job paying $8 an hour. He worked 21 hours a week for 7 weeks. Jessie had a summer job paying $6.50 an hour. She worked 28 hours a week for 7 weeks. Who earned more money during the summer? And here is problem number 2. I am thinking of 3 mystery numbers. When I add the numbers up 2 at a time, I get 49, 57, and 64. Can you read my mind and find the mystery numbers? There are your 2 problems for this week. The answers will be up next week. My goal is to have 8 videos by the time school starts on September 3rd. And then hopefully this becomes a fall series and we have some more videos to do in the fall. But until next time, solve those two problems. If you want to send me an email, the email address will pop up right there. All right? So send me an email with your answers if you want. If you just want to check them out next week, you can do that too. All right, but before we go, we need a bad joke. What did one wall say to the other wall? I'll meet you at the corner. See you next time.